Hello, today we are going to have a brief introduction of the famous diasporic poet Aga Shahid Ali. Aga Shahid Ali was born in New Delhi, India in 1949. He grew up in Kashmir, the son of a distinguished and highly educated family in Srinagar. He attended the University of Kashmir, the University of Delhi, and upon arriving in the United States in 1975, Pennsylvania State University and the University of Arizona. Though a Kashmiri Muslim, Ali is best known in the US and identified himself as an American poet writing in English. He is the recipient of numerous fellowships and awards and a finalist for the National Book Award. He taught at the University of Massachusetts Amherst, Princeton College, and in the MFA program at Warren Wilson College. At the time of his death in 2001, Ali was noted as a poet uniquely able to blend multiple ethnic influences and ideas in both traditional forms and elegant free verse. His poetry reflects his Hindu, Muslim, and Western heritages. In contemporary poets, the critic Bruce King remarked that Ali's poetry swirls around insecurity and obsessions with memory, death, history, family ancestors, nostalgia for a past he never knew, dreams, Hindu ceremonies, friendships, and self-consciousness about being a poet. Aga Shahid Ali is known particularly for his dexterous allusions to European, Urdu, Arabic, and Persian literary traditions. His poetry collections revolve around both thematic and cultural poles. Most of his poems are not abstract considerations of love and longing, but rather concrete accounts of events of personal importance. Though Aga Shahid Ali began publishing in the early 1970s, it was not until a walk through the Yellow Pages that he received widespread recognition. Bruce King characterized that book as a surreal world of nightmare, fantasy, incongruity, wild humor, and the grotesque. Although the existential anxieties have their source in problems of growing up, leaving home, being a migrant, and the meeting of cultures, the idiom is American and contemporary. Ali's next book, A Nostalgist's Map of America, that was published in 1991, relates a series of travels through landscapes often blurred between his current American home and memories of his boyhood in Kashmir. Bruce King contends that such imagination links past and present, America and India, Islamic and American deserts, American cities and former American Indian tribes, modern deserts and prehistoric oceans, adding there is a highly profiled language of color, paradoxes, oxymora, and other means to lift the poems into the lyrical and fanciful. Ali's next books were widely praised. The poem, originally called Kashmir Without a Post Office, was published as the title poem in The Country Without a Post Office, taking its impetus from the 1990 Kashmiri uprising against India, which led to political violence and closed all the country's post offices for 7 months. Ali's long poem is considered one of his masterpieces. Built on association and repetition rather than straightforward narrative logic, the poem is filled with recurring phrases and images. Thank you.